Hello everybody, this is Scootaloo2 coming to you with another installment of DeadRising 2. Today I have my friend right next to me. Say hello to the audience.
Hello. How do you do?
What's up with your voice?
What do you mean what's up with my voice?
It sounded all weird for a second. Oh yeah.
And
if nobody has noticed, I am finally on day 2.
No one has noticed. How are they supposed to notice that?
Because I just told them.
Well, you're like, if no one has noticed, like, how are they gonna notice? Like, really? Freaking smash that zombie's head open.
Am I going to taste like chicken?
You shouldn't. I think you should just run around killing people. It's more fun for me. I don't like doing the freaking. Yeah, that's hot. It's very hot. Dude, get in the wheelchair.
I can't.
We're not getting in it, but
I can if I combined it with a battery and a mercenary assault rifle.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome. Do that.
I don't know what a mercenary assault rifle is, dude.
Why not?
I don't know.
Well, yeah. Why are you wearing a hat now? You were just wearing a giant, whatever. Now you're wearing a little boy's hat and pajamas. You look like Stan off South Park. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at my raging bulge. Just kidding. Dude, you should just climb on crap and freaking fall. Doesn't make any sense.
Oh, actually, I do know where to get a mercenary assault rifle.
Where? Oh.
Where's that? I don't know, so I am not going to try. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Dude.
I'm going to kill all these zombies at the door.
So, what's the background of this? How did all these zombies get here? Huh?
Well, it all happened because of a guy named TK who ran a game show I was on.
And
He made zombies for amusement. What a sick man. And I can't wait for my final video when I kill him.
Whoa, you can kill him?
Yes.
That's awesome.
That's the actual ending.
What's the fake ending, I guess?
There's multiple endings in this game.
Like what? What's another one?
Another one is you get left, I think this is another one, you get left behind and you just live your life on in the mall. I think. I don't know.
That's very sorry.
It's all
Sorry. I got a little something stuck in my throat. Really, you're just gonna go around slamming the ground? That's not cool, man. Stop!
I'm doing renovations.
You can't break the ground. It is impossible. The ground runs forever. Come on, stop it. If I was a worm...
No, I don't want that.
If I was a worm, I could go all the way to China. Okay? I could go all the way to China, and I have no idea where I'm going with this, but yeah.
You can go to China and buy some Mexican food.
What? That wouldn't make sense.
Yes, it would. They make the best Mexican food over there.
But yeah, I can sound like an Australian person.
Do it.
Good day, mate.
God, we're only 4 minutes in. Well, now 5 minutes. I'm joking. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it. Just because you didn't stop him going to fried chicken.
They can't see me. They can't see me.
Yeah. I can't see you. Dude. Stop.
Dude.
No one likes it.
Hey. You.
They think you're raping.
I'm raping him. It's very fun, actually. I wish I had music. I wish when I open my mouth...
I can add music to this music video, but then I wouldn't be able to hear my voice.
No, I'm saying I wish, like, if I could open my mouth and just music played instantly. You know, be like, just open it and be like, you know, again.
Was there
what can
a
you
blender? Oh, there isn't a blender.
What can you
Take
combine
some
that with?
stuff. You need a blender to combine stuff, and there is no blender here. There's a chicken in the fireplace. There might be a blender back here.
No, I don't think so.
Nada.
Nothing. Did I say naughty? I meant to say nada too. Nada. Nada.
Giant purple dildo is an effective weapon.
Well, I can't get it. Can you make it?
Yeah, totally.
Just get
No,
like,
you have to go
just
to
get,
a
like,
weird.
silicone.
You have to go to a weird shop.
get some silicone, get mold, just put some silicone in it, you know. Wait for a couple hours.
How do you know about this?
Pull it out. I had a girlfriend once. You know, it's hard to believe, but I did have a girlfriend.
Oh god, pitchfork is an effective weapon.
No, it's not. Because he just goes and eats. Like a fat bastard. So why are you trying to kill this guy again?
Because so I can free that lady that's slowly dying.
Why do you want to free her? Why don't you just let her die? Oh, and plus, he's like feeding people, right?
Don't know. I don't think he does ever run out of food.
That's bullcrap.
Oh god! Of course.
Of course, all the time.
Oh. Well, that is my cue to sign off. This is Skidaloo 2 logging off. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.